In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to create a Works Cited page. Here's a sample Works Cited page. This Works Cited page has 6 sources. You can see that the first line of each source is on the left margin, and then each other line in the source is indented. You can also see that each source is listed alphabetically according to the first word. So how did we get these entries? Each Works Cited entry has roughly 4 parts. We can call the first part the author's name. The second part is the article title. The third part is the publication information. And the fourth part is the access information. For this class, that's all you need to remember. And let me show you where that information comes from. Here's the article for that first entry in the Works Cited. You can see here is the author's name. Here's the article title. This is the publication information. And then the access information comes from the day that you, the writer, accesses this website. So in the Works Cited, we can see that the writer accessed that page on October 1st. So that's all you need to know for writing a Works Cited page in this class. You'll look for those 4 pieces of information, and you can use the sample Works Cited pages in this course as a guide for you. You will want to try to copy the punctuation marks that you see here. After the author's name, there's a period. The author's last name and first name have a comma between them. Do the best you can to get the punctuation the same as it is in this example. So that's a lot of information, and we're just getting started. Remember, in your in-text citations, you used the author's last name. Here we have the name Grow. This was the citation for this paraphrase. And that last name needs to match one of the names in the Works Cited page. So we can tell this is correctly formatted. Grow matches Grow in the Works Cited page. Here's another example. This one used attribution. You see the author's name in the sentence here, David Fahrenthold. And then we know that that's the first name and last name. We should be able to find the last name alphabetically in the Works Cited page. And here it is. Here's one more example. This was a paraphrase using the article that did not have an author's name. Part of the title was used, UVA expels. If you have a very long title in your in-text citation, you only write a couple of the words. They should be the first words of the entry in the Works Cited page. So UVA expels, those are the first words in the entry. We can find that easily because they match. You see the title is actually longer, UVA expels plagiarizing Ohio University student from SHIP. But in the in-text citation, we just need a couple of those words. And they need to have quotation marks because it's a title. Those are just some basics to get you started.